What is a Fluent API, and why use it with ORMs? Imagine writing code that feels like telling a story, smooth and easy to follow. That's what a Fluent API does. It helps developers configure database models in a way that reads naturally, almost like a conversation. When working with object relational mappers, or ORMs, this style of coding becomes especially helpful. ORMs are tools that connect your code to a database, making data storage and retrieval simpler. But setting up these connections can get complicated. That's where a Fluent API shines. Instead of scattering configuration details across many files or using lots of annotations, you write a series of chained commands. These commands tell the ORM how to set up tables, relationships, and constraints. Each method returns the same object or a related one, so you can keep adding instructions without breaking the flow. This makes your code more readable and easier to understand at a glance. It also helps keep your code organized because all the configuration lives in one place. Plus, because Fluent APIs use the language's type system, they catch mistakes early. If you try to set up a relationship incorrectly, the compiler will warn you before you run your program. This gives you more control over how your data models behave. For example, you can specify which table a class maps to, define one-to-many relationships, or set up indexes for faster searches. All of this can be done with simple, chained method calls. Using a Fluent API with ORMs like Entity Framework Core makes backend development more straightforward. It reduces boilerplate code, improves clarity, and helps you quickly see how your database models are configured. This approach makes managing complex data relationships less intimidating and more accessible. It's a way to write clear, maintainable code that keeps your database set up organized and easy to modify later.